In psychology, there's a concept known as the pendulum effect. It refers to the idea that after experiencing an emotional extreme, people often swing just as forcefully in the opposite direction. The farther you're pulled one way, the harder you're likely to swing back. For example, a moment of intense joy might be followed by sudden fear. Long periods of emotional suppression can lead to explosive anger or deep depression. Someone once full of dreams may, after repeated disappointments, fall into extreme hopelessness and believe nothing matters anymore. In relationships, this effect shows up too. If you become deeply dependent on someone emotionally, a single wound or disappointment can cause you to shut down completely, refusing to trust again. Even with things like dieting, the pendulum swings. Extreme restriction often leads to binge eating as the body and mind rebel against deprivation. Just like a real pendulum, the more you swing to one extreme, the harder you swing to the other. The psychological takeaway? Avoid extremes. When it comes to emotions, habits, or personal relationships, what matters most is balance. Learn to face your emotions gently, manage your desires mindfully. That's how you break free from swinging between emotional highs and lows, and find a steady rhythm that protects your peace.